we are going to play a very small segment with you. So it's all about you. Okay. You just have to be honest and you just have to be quick. Okay.
Quick. Okay.
Let's just be honest. Okay. Okay. No one. What's your nickname?
Okay, Mishti. It's actually Miss too, but people call me Mishti. I also have another name that is Hina.
Date of birth?
20th March.
Place of birth?
20th.
Okay.
Silchar, Assam. Silchar, Assam.
Your education?
BA in English honors.
Okay. Describe yourself in one word.
Unique. Anokhi.
Okay. Okay. Tell us about your family. Like, कौन-कौन है and आप सबसे ज़्यादा किसके करीब हैं?
सबसे ज़्यादा मम्मी से करीब हूँ, obvious बात है. But I have my mom, my dad. Joint family के बारे में I won't disclose. Like it's a huge family, but my mom, dad, my younger sister, and I've got a very beautiful, sweet, cute family.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What did you wanted to do when you were a small kid? Like,
मेरे aims बदलते रहते थे. मैं कभी साइंटिस्ट बनना चाहती थी, कभी किसी को सुन के डॉक्टर, कभी किसी को सुन के फाइनली आई गॉट स्टक इनटू बीइंग अ सिंगर एंड रेडियो आर्टिस्ट भी रह चुकी हूँ. आई वाज आल्सो अ डांसर. आई वाज इनटू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. फैशन डिजाइनिंग भी करना चाहते थे. अल्टीमेटली आई केम इनटू एक्टिंग एंड सिंगिंग. आई कंटिन्यू सिंगिंग एज वेल. या.
Okay, so how did you how did you made up your mind that I need to go towards, the acting? Like, so how did you got into TV industry?
Okay, so this is a nice question, to be very frank, because I never thought I'll come to this field. So I was, I was very ambitious. I was like, कि क्या करना है आगे जाके? I was studying BA English. Amity University में study कर रही थी. I was like, I don't want to be a professor. Like, what do I do with all the skills that I've got? I mean, I sing, I dance, I express a lot. What do I do? So my mom was like कि अचानक से newspaper में देखी उनको in some Bengali newspaper कि यहाँ पे audition चल रही. You wanna go there and give? I was like कि acting में? Okay, fine. I went and they liked me. And I should tell one fun thing about me. Washroom में जाके मैं कंगना रनावत की acting करती थी. छोटे से मिरर में जाके एक्टिंग करती थी. घर में आने के बाद मम्मी के सामने स्कूल टीचर्स की एक्टिंग करके दिखाती थी. And mama used to laugh. So it was she who told me, you have this acting skill, why don't you try it? So I tried and and my first break was on Colors Bengal. For 2.5 years I've done the main lead in a show. And second was, when I felt I'm good at it, I mean, I should do it. And I mean, I can obviously try. So I tried, and I was ambitious. I had a lot of things going on in my life. So I just wanted to run off from a different place. And I came to my dream city, Mumbai, and I started giving auditions. Struggle, theek hai, wo har kisi ki zindagi mein hoti hai. Apart from that, I did my Sony TV show, and now I'm doing Anokhi.
Right, that's good. Okay. TV debut?
Bengali show.
Okay. Favorite actor?
I have this thing. I don't have only one actor. Like, I'm super confused if you ask me about singer, movie, actor. I have lots and tons. I just can't mention one.
Okay.
You just can't. Yeah.
Okay, good. No worries. Favorite dish, like one dish which you can have any time of the day.
Look, I'm a foodie, and it's a very wrong question to ask to any foodie. Abhi khana nahi aaya tha mere room, so I just had to take that food. I can eat anything. Like, I can't live without rice though, because being a Bengali, I need rice with every meal out.
Yeah, right.
Staple food there. So, yeah.
Okay. Favorite brand, like in clothes and shoes, a brand which you love.
I like fashionable clothes, to be very frank. चाहे वो किसी brand का हो या street shopping का हो. I won't see any particular brand. I love all the brands. I mean, क्या खराबी है? I have got stuff from different brands, इधर भी पड़े हैं. Even my dresses, you can see all this stuff, I don't know, even this is branded and cool. So, but
okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Favorite, continuing the same thing. Favorite brand.
This is a favorite brand. See, you can't just ask me about one thing, okay? I'm super confused person. If you ask me to select only one, I'll be like, oh, I don't know. So this is me, okay? Actor, singer, any brand also, you just keep asking.
Okay, good. No worries. Favorite season, summer, winter, or rainy?
Winter.
Okay.
इसमें मैं एक बोलूंगी विंटर.
Okay. All-time favorite movie?
Oh my God, so many. How could you even ask me this question? I cry because I'm very emotional. I cry, I smile, I laugh. Just don't ask me these questions. You know, movies also I mentioned you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Acha, the most recent movie you loved and watched. Chalo, we'll make it easy for you.
I was watching The Holiday, and it seemed like
Okay.
a sweet movie. I mean, it's very sweet, happy ending Valley movies. I love such happy endings, you know,
Okay.
being emotional. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Your height.
I'm 5'4" without heels. Just a profile. When you mentioned it, this is how I answered you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you an angry or peaceful girl?
I like to be peaceful, but
Hmm.
if there's too many stupidity, I tend to get angry a lot.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is a nice answer that I gave just now.
What are you obsessed with? Like a person, a thing, or anything which you're obsessed with?
I like being loved. I mean, I like sweet things. What am I obsessed with? I mean, I want to get rest. I mean, मुझे proper नींद चाहिए. So many things. I mean, I love to sing also. Obsessed with rest. I don't know. As of now, वही मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा था. So yeah.
Okay. Okay. Last few questions. If not shooting, what are you doing?
Singing,
Okay.
traveling,
Okay.
shopping.
What makes you happiest?
Mental peace. I know it
Right.
sounds stupid, but if you are, अगर तुम
It's
peaceful
actually
हो ना
true.
दिमाग
Yeah,
से
of
तो
course.
mental peace होती है तो अपने आप खुशी महसूस होती है. वरना even if you have everything, you can't be happy.
Correct.
Yeah.
So true. Okay. What is your one word liner? You know, हर एक का एक तकिया कलाम होता है, which they often use in their day-to-day life. So what is your that one word or sentence which you use often?
I'm brave, I'm strong, and I can do anything I want to.
Right. Great. Okay. Okay. Favorite actress, if you can pick one. I know it's difficult for you, but if you can. Okay, no worries. Then I'll skip all the favorite favorite thing. Okay, favorite.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there a favorite emoji at least, you know, which you love to use or which you send to people? Favorite emoji.
Laughter wala emoji. Because I keep laughing all the time.
Okay.
God.
Okay. Favorite festival.
Durga Puja. I mean
What did
Christmas
you
as well. Oh no,
Yeah.
I love Christmas. Durga Puja and matlab, you know, Christmas I love. I mean, there's something to it. I mean, I don't know, like I am a Bengali, but then when I, you know, this jingle bells wala feel, you know,
Yeah.
kahi pe bhi Christmas, so I need to get out on the streets, you know, I need to see this fairy lights and everything, you know, ghar mein bhi, you know, celebrate Christmas somehow.
Yeah.
There's this thing with me and winter and Christmas. I watch Christmas Carol movies a lot.
Right. Right. Okay.
Yeah.
What makes you angry? Like super angry.
When people misunderstand me and never try to clear that thing out, rather judge me too quick. अगर कोई जज भी करता है तो आई डोंट माइंड, बट देन अगर जज करके तुम मुझे बेफालतू में सुनाओ तो वो मुझे गुस्सा दिलाता है. आई फील बैड.
Right. Right. Okay. Last three question. Our favorite holiday destination or a place you would like to go? Audio's off. Yeah. That's okay. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. So favorite
Yeah,
holiday
yeah.
destination or a place you would like to go?
Right now, if you ask me,
Yeah.
किसी भी mountain, you know, mountains. I mean, you know, मैं vision देख सकती हूँ यहाँ से बैठ के कि, you know, I'm at peace, you know, some ashram, I just need to, you know, get apart from all this, you know, work wala thing and just breathe in and breathe out some mountains. कोई चलेगा. I mean, not any particular place. Yeah.
Okay. Last two questions. Friends in the industry. If you have someone, you have to name them.
So many, like
At
friends
least
in this
name them.
industry,
Yeah.
like so many. Very close, no, because close friends तो वो अलग ही है घर
जी.
में, personal friends, they are just too close. But like I know a lot of people from my previous serial as well, like Sumbul, I know Mudit, I know Sara, and इस serial में आने के बाद तो a lot of people have become my friends. Like we're just so friendly with each and everyone. So it's good. And also so many people. I mean, I can't just name one or two, but yeah, पिछले serial का I just named 3 of them, I guess.
Okay. And lastly, and the most important question maybe for your male friends, that are you single? Are you dating someone, or work is the only focus which you have?
I'm single, but work is the only focus that I have. Yeah.
Okay. And on this note, first of all,
you never know.
yeah. Okay. And on this
Sorry.
note, it's okay. First of all, thank you so much, really, for giving all the answers, so sweetly and so, beautifully. And lastly, as we know, you sing so beautiful, really. And I think after acting, is this something, you should, consider it as your career? It can be. So any line
Definitely.
you want to croon for your fans?
Okay, I'm gonna upload a video. Can I sing Jo Tera Hovega? Because this is
anything. Yeah.
Okay, I just main जो female line है ना.
Right.
Time limit नहीं है I guess Om का, so it's just I'm getting some notifications. क्यों पूछे ना कोई हाल मेरा, है खुद से यही सवाल मेरा. अरे डरता है तू क्यों परिंदे, खुदा को है ख्याल तेरा. बीच हवा में रहने वाली ज़मीं पे एक दिन आएगा, जो तेरा होवेगा जरूर आवेगा. पावे किन्ने भी हो यारा चन्ना दूर जाएगा, जो तेरा होवेगा जरूर आएगा. Okay, pardon me because I didn't do the Sriyas thing for a long time, so
that was really, really beautiful, and I really mean it. Not just because I'm interviewing, but that was really beautiful. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for the lovely interview and for the lovely song, and anything which you want to say, before we wind up the interview.
Before winding up this interview, I just like to say thank you. I mean, genuinely, dil se thank you. I mean, I absolutely love to have this conversation with you. And apart from that, I just want to give all the love that is coming towards me as well. Just I don't know कि कैसे लोगों को समझा. I mean, I get DMs, I get emails from people, and I'm really very thankful that you are loving us so much, loving the show. Keep supporting us like this. Keep watching us. Keep loving us. That is what motivates us. This is what I say all the time, and I'll keep saying this to the end. And this is what I've got to say. Just thank you, and I love you guys so much. I love you.
Thank you so much, and all the best for this show and for all the future projects which you are ever going to have. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you.
Yeah, take care. Bye. Bye.
Bye.